Hey, it's Mr. Angstrom. Let's take a look at your notes. All right, so it says that we're going to describe an association between two variables in a scatter plot in context. We're going to have a sentence frame. So just a way to form your answer. Remember, what we're going to be looking for is strength, form, and direction. Strength, form, and direction. So here's our sentence frame. Okay, look at this thing in green here. It's basically the association between blank and blank is blank, blank, and blank. Okay, strength, form, and direction. All right, so the association between the explanatory variable in context and the response variable in context. That comes right out of the problem. Don't think too much on that, but you do have to write it, write what the variables are and use the context in the problem. Then take a look at the strength. You're either going to write strong, moderate, or weak. Try to avoid things like moderately strong or something like that. Okay, we don't really need too many descriptors there. So strong, moderate, or weak, and it is subjective. If you're thinking that it's subjective, you're right. It is linear, curved, or no form. That's describing the form, and then the direction. It's either positive or negative or no direction. All right, so here we go. Let's take a look at example 1, price versus quality. Take a look at the question. Describe what? The association between price and quality of furniture sold at local warehouse stores. So the first two blanks, the association between blank and blank, is right out of the problem. Price and quality of furniture. Okay. And now when we look at this, remember what we want is we want strength, form, and direction. So this really is not hugging a line too close, so I wouldn't say that it's strong. I'd probably use the word moderate here. There's a couple things that may or may not be outliers. If you kind of ignored those, I think we would all basically put a line in the same place. If we were to say, let's put a line that these data follow. But it's not too close to the line, so maybe the word moderate there for the strength. Form, it is linear. We see that from left to right, it is going up in a fairly linear way, and from left to right it is going up, so it has a positive slope. And so here is our answer. The association between, and then the blue and the red, that comes right out of the problem. The association between quality and price of furniture sold at local warehouse stores is moderate, linear, and positive. Okay, and that's all we need. We don't need any more description. That's it. Let's take a look at example 2. Now, in example 2, the first thing I see is this is way stronger. Okay, so it says describe what? The association between calories consumed by men and the weight loss they experienced after 30 days. So the first two blanks in our answer is going to be what's underlined there. Okay, all right. Let's take a look at the next one. So the association between blank and blank, okay? And so it's what we underlined, right? The calories consumed by men and the weight loss they experienced after 30 days is blank, blank, and blank. Remember what we're looking for? Strength, form, direction. This is pretty close to the line. Okay, I think we'd all put the line in the exact same place here. The data really do follow that line pretty close. So I would say that that the association is strong. Okay, the correlation is strong. I would say the form is linear because it follows a line, and from left to right it goes downhill. The slope of that line is a negative number. So here's how we would finish. Boom, strong, linear, negative. The association between the one variable in context and the other variable in context is strength, form, and direction. Strong, linear, and negative. All right, so that's all we got for these notes. But listen, I think we should practice a little bit. So take a look in Chapter 6. The Chapter 6 exercise starts on page 167. I want you to take a look at 1, 3, and 15. Now, if you do all three of these problems, it's not going to take you that long. It goes pretty quick. But these are odd problems. The answers are in the back. So take a look at these. Make sure that you stay caught up. And have a great day. I will see you tomorrow.